Hello everyone, I'm Amara from Oric Display. Nice to know you. Today, I will introduce an 1.3-inch TFT LCD to you. Now, this small thing I take in hand is 1.3-inch TFT LCD. It is very small, isn't it? You can guess where it can be used in. If you put it on your wrist, you can feel a sense of comfort. Yes, it is mainly used in electronic wristbands, smartwatches, and so on. The main reason we introduced this size to you is for it can be compatible with MCU and SPI interface. You can have more choices to use it, and you can achieve your desired functions. In addition, it is used in silicon-based IC and running very stable. Its display effect is very colorful, bright color, and impact your retina. Let's see its practical application and display. If you are interested in, you can contact me for free. Thank you.